Hi, welcome to Ocean Time. I'm Pippa, and today I'm going to talk to you all about cabin refrigerators, coolers. Are they one or are they the same, or they are different?
If you need a refrigerator for medical reasons, please speak to your cabin attendant. Another tip is you can put your ice bucket in your cooler to cool your cooler. It appears that the old ships have coolers and the newer ships have fridges. So, fingers crossed and good luck and keep cool.
If you've liked this, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write them below. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button to get more of me. Please share this video out into the wider cruising community to help inform our fellow cruisers. And thanks for being on board, and see you later.